Hey friends, today I will show you how to cut this basic sleeve pattern for children. As always, it's a beginners friendly tutorial, so if you're interested to learn how to make it, keep watching. To make a short sleeve, you have to first of all measure the armhole area where you want to attach the sleeve to avoid mistake. Okay, so I'm going to measure around this armhole, including the seam joining allowance. So after taking measurement, what I got was 19 inches. Okay, so I'll bear that in mind when cutting. To cut the basic sleeve, I will fold my fabric 2 times because we are going to be cutting 2 pieces of the sleeve. I already know the measurement of the sleeve I am working with. That is why I went ahead to cut out the fabric piece. The round sleeve I am working with is 12, while the length of the sleeve is 6. So on fold here, I have enough to accommodate that plus sewing allowance. The first thing I'm going to mark down here is the cap's height. Now the cap's height is the length between the sleeve head and the sleeve curve. Okay, that curve that is usually on the sleeve, that is what is called the cap's height. And to get that, we are going to be dividing her round arm by 4. That is 12 divided by 4, which gave me 3 inches, and I came down by 3 inches. Now on that 3 inches line, I will mark her round arm divide by 2, and that is 12 divide by 2, which gave me 6 inches. Now to curve the sleeve head, we are going to be using a guide. From the side, I will mark 3 inches, which is what we also use as the cap's height length. I'll mark 3 inches right there. Now on that point, I will come down by half of the 3 inches, which is 1.5. Once you've made those marks, you go ahead and curve from the sleeve head to meet this 1.5 point mark down to the sleeve cap's height. Okay, so just go ahead and curve it the way I am pointing out with my finger. It is that easy. Now this method is the easiest method that I use to cut out a sleeve, whether I'm cutting for a child or for an adult. Remember, we took measurement of the round armhole of the shirt before cutting out the sleeve. So I'm going to take the measurement of this sleeve head to be sure that it corresponds with the measurement I took on the shirt part. Okay, so just go ahead and take this measurement so that at the end of the day everything is properly aligned. So once I was sure of the measurement, I went ahead to mark it right there. On the end of the sleeve, I measured what I have on the arm side of the sleeve, and then I took away 1.5 inches from what I have there, then marked it on the sleeve ending right there. So I'll just connect the side like so. So this is basically all there is to the sleeve. I'll go ahead and cut it out now. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, because here we simplify every tutorial to suit even beginners' understanding. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.